There are so many plastic here. The plastic has covered almost the Gazipur landfill area.
Yes, Ane, I have heard about the Gazipur landfill. You won't believe that it covers 72 acres of land and covers almost 30 meters in height.
Plastic. As you know, plastic is non-biodegradable. It cannot be decomposed and it sticks in the environment for ages. It also contributes global warming.
Yes, that is why we have created our project
Plastic Resurgance.
Hello everyone, I am Chetna.
And my name is Anidhya.
First, let's just take a look at our plastic that is just lying here and there. Look, there are so many plastic bottles. We can always recycle them, but they're just waiting there and no one is recycling them.
Let's take these plastic bottles and recycle them.
So, to help recycle our waste, we have in the first part of our project, we have created a plastic waste segregator.
Here we have attached a webcam that can see what is being put on the conveyor belt. Once the camera detects that there is a plastic bottle put on the conveyor belt, a claw grabs the bottle and then drops it off in a separate area. Now we cut the plastic bottle into plastic strips using our plastic bottle strips cutter. We have now got our plastic strips. We now use these plastic strips to convert them into filament with the help of an extruder. A pulley wraps around the filament automatically around itself using a motor. Now with this filament, we are converting it into shapes using our 3D pen. As you can see, we have made the letter R using our filament.